Hey, I want to show you how to work with photos on your website as far as resizing them so the content is what you would like it to see. There's going to be two different ways we'll do it today, and I'll tell you why. The first is this picture is uploaded as the background, which is why it continues to say drop content here. So when you click on the container and you go to the image icon, you'll see the photo that we're referencing, and then there's a little crop icon. So you can, since this picture is vertical, and you want something that's horizontal, you can scroll through these options to get the size that you want. And what would work best here is likely going to be 16 by 10, 4:3, something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and move the box so that it's like this. And then like in editing mode, it looks like the picture would have worked, but in the actual how it's laid out, this is what it will look like. So once you've cropped a photo, you didn't crop the original photo that's hosted on this platform, you cropped what people see. So if you decide you want to crop it again, like you don't like how it looks, and you go back to the image icon, obviously here you just see the original photo we're referencing, but if I click resize, it's not really giving me the option for the whole photo. So if I need to start over, what I'll do is I'll just click here on the original photo, go to the image icon, click on the photo, and then it resets it back to what it was originally. And I can go in and play with the sizing until I get it how I want the photo to be. So I'll go ahead and set it here for now. And then you can make changes as you want to. So these photos, the reason this photo is showing up larger than the other ones is because of the actual size difference of the photo and the container that it's in. So this, we're not going to be able to be as simple as changing the size through here, because we really want 850 by 850. This is a square image, and this here is 940 by 788. So the easiest thing to do here would be to take this photo and make it the size 940 by 788. So I'm going to do that in Canva. I've already started. I've opened up a document and I've typed in that sizing 940 by 788. So that's really what you want to do. And then drop the image in. One thing that's really helpful for your site is to save things that, like the robots and searchability and Google and all the things are searching your site. You want to save the design name and something that people would be searching for. Like it could be, what are the qualifications for birth doula or for a yoga teacher? Amrita birth services. So I'll go ahead and save this. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and edit this photo. So I double click on it. I want to delete some of these options. Because I don't want it to be confusing. So I do recommend when you're replacing a picture and you know you're never going to use it again, delete it. If you have 3 of the same images like this, all because it was similar, changing the sizes so that it would fit, it gets really confusing. So now I will upload that picture. And now they're all the same size. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that with here as well. So we have the image that we're going to keep is this one. And the size of this image is 575 by 735. So 575 by 735. And then this one, we're going to title it Somatic Alchemy. And I'm going to go ahead and take the photo and bring it in here. And I'm going to do it in one way, but feel free to redo it if you want to change the cropping. Share, download.